let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Our brains are amazing machines. They can hear the sounds of an entire rainstorm together. Or, if we focus, we can divide the sounds in our minds and hear just one sound at a time. Listen carefully now and try to hear all of the different sounds of this rainstorm. Notice all the different sounds you can hear. Notice them one at a time. Now let's try to pick out separate sounds one at a time. Focus on the sound of the rain. Imagine the speed that this rain is falling based on the sound you hear. In the background, listen for the distant roll of thunder. Listen now for the sounds of the different frogs and insects you can hear. Try to pick out the sound of the wind. Focus on just the sound of the wind. And now listen for different sounds of drips and drops. Take a couple moments now to imagine yourself in this rainstorm. Where are you watching it from? Inside your home or outside? What are you wearing? What might you see in this rainstorm? Who might be watching it with you? Take a moment now to enjoy this rainstorm. Let the raindrops wash away any tension. Let them help your body to feel relaxed. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.